Are you looking for the best budget treadmill under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best budget treadmill under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sunny Health SF T440. If you have any knee or joint issues, this is the treadmill for you. Not only is it foldable and convenient to store, it features a shock absorption system to help protect your knees. You may think that a treadmill is similar to the high impact of running outside on cement, but they aren't, especially the SF T440. The shock absorption system helps to cushion each stride you take, preventing less knee and joint impact. This is a great option if you are a serious runner, as not only does it go up to 9 miles per hour, it also has 3 different incline levels. This is great if you want a steeper, more demanding workout. You can use it in the regular flat mode, or get a higher intensity, more calorie-burning workout. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TR150. XTERRA makes some of the best fitness equipment on the market, and the TR150 is an Amazon top choice. This is a great choice if you have a wider running stride, or longer legs, as it features a 16-inch wide by 50-inch long treadmill belt. The TR150 will be able to keep up with you if you have a long and powerful stride, as it can handle speeds up to 10 miles per hour. The TR150 would be at home in a commercial gym, as not only is it for intense running, it also has 3 different incline options to increase the intensity of your workouts. Number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill will blow your mind with its fashionable look and unique functionality. It looks like it belongs in a boutique fitness club with its unique design and color, and can make a great addition in your home. Not only is this a folding treadmill, it can work as just a walking platform. This allows it to be used in an office to create your own walking desk. There are so many options with the Goplus that you'll always be able to use it in a different way. If you are feeling like a simple walk and can't go outside, you can do that, but it also works for a serious run. It has a powerful 2.25 HP motor that can handle an intense workout, and the riser can be lifted to provide handles and more support to make you feel safer. It also features some great technology, including a remote that can change the speed. This is great if you are using it in walking mode. Number 4. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness SF T7515. You use a smartphone, and this is a smart treadmill. The SF T7515 is another Amazon top choice that is small, compact, and stylish. What makes this treadmill stand out is that it's one of the only ones you will find under $500 that has an automatic incline function. You are able to adjust the incline and intensity while you run. This allows you to keep your workout consistent without having to get off and adjust the treadmill, and has 12 different levels of incline going up to 12%, which is pretty impressive for a home treadmill. The SF T7515 incorporates your phone into your workout with Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in speaker system and microphone. This allows you to listen to your own music, but also take phone calls in the middle of your workout.